thinker, and with high honor. Aldrich J. Uyagon, Awesome Artist Awardee, most cheerful and with high honors. With honors, sorry. Dian Dwight Uyagon, most dependable, most diligent, and with honors. Rohan Balderas, most behaved and most clean. Andrea Bohol, Enthusiastic Learner Awardee. Christine Bravo, most polite awardee.